Welcome. Today we're going to be discussing the benefits of having a MAN 3000 exchange line tools for your company and display the importance of monitoring your lines. MAN 3000 is great at informing a user on which lines they were used for all the inbound and outbound traffic. On our main screen, we can clearly see that most of our calls were on carrier A, but that does not provide us with enough information to make good decisions based on just that. Let's take this further and go and run some reports on our lines and display the details of each line. As you can see, carrier A is used for all our inbound traffic, while carrier B is used for all the outbound. You will notice we have some overflow here. We can clearly see that we have made a total of 21 outbound calls on carrier A. Why is this happening? Do we need more outbound lines? Or is this an isolated period of excessive calls? What's more, is you're now able to run a number of graphical reports on how many outbound, incoming, and unanswered calls were recorded on each line. This can be viewed by total number of calls, duration of the calls, as well as the total cost of each line. If you would like some more information on this, or on any other MAN 3000 products, give us a call on 011 436 8100 or email us at sales@man3000.com. MAN 3000, it works.